Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling。人生活在一起就是要互相帮忙嘛，对不对？
对。
Yes. People stick together to help each other out, and that's why a lot of times we ask others around, do you have time? Are you available? 有空吗？这是我们这个月的主题。
有閒冇？
有閒冇 and your answer could be 有或沒有。
冇。You?
Mo, that's no, or you. Yes, I have time. 好，我刚刚讲嘛，我们就是要乐于帮助别人嘛。哪怕呢是在家里，不管是朋友、兄弟姐妹，还是夫妻呢，有的时候呢就要，说能不能帮我做一些事情？好不好？我们就教一些可能要帮忙打扫啦，帮忙倒垃圾啦，帮忙去买东西的一些状况。All right, we're gonna put you in a situation where you're at home and you want to get help from maybe your husband, your wife, your friends, whoever's at home. 好，我们开始教。你等一下有空吗？ Do you have time later?
等一下有閒冇？
等一下 that means later. 有閒冇 have time? Okay, and your answer is?
有嘛嘅事情？
有就是有，嘛嘅事情比较直接一點的說，什麼事？那幫我打掃家裡 ，Please help me clean up the house。怎麼說？
來老牙屋下聽邊數。
來老牙屋下 ，Could you come to my house？ 是這個意思嗎？來我的家哦，然後要
邊數就是打掃，
就是打掃。
那海陸腔邊數。
邊數，好，那或許呢，我只是要你幫我買個東西，所以我就問你，幫我買東西 ，Please buy something for me。
老矮天數買東西。
老矮天數買東西 ，OK， 老矮就是在幫我嘛，哈，幫我去買東西。
對，
有的時候很麻煩，沒有穿好衣服，要出去倒垃圾不方便嘛，所以就說你穿好衣服了，幫我倒垃圾。
老矮天數倒垃圾。
老矮天數倒垃圾。Okay, 倒垃圾就是倒垃圾 Okay, that's again the focus of that phrase. To take out the trash, to dump the trash, if you will. All right, let's review these terms. 你等一下有空嗎？ Do you have time a little later?
等一下有閒冇？
等一下有閒冇？ Yes, what do you want?
有嘛嘅事情？
有嘛嘅事情？打掃。
邊數？
邊數 that's just to clean up. 買東西 to buy something.
買東西。
買東西 or to take out the trash. 倒垃圾。
倒垃圾。
倒垃圾。And there you go. Now you know how to apply these with our practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
按字say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.